Buyers in Folsom tell me that they want open space, natural light, modern amenities, and a great price. Well, stay tuned for this one. Hi, LuAnn here. My latest listing here at 921 Farmhouse Way, and I would love to have you come and take a look around. This home is 2,335 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms and is packed with upgrades buyers love. LVP flooring throughout, framed windows and mirrors, imperfect finish walls, easy lift blinds, a full subway backsplash in the kitchen, and gorgeous glass front cabinets. The chef's kitchen features a large island with seating, quartz counters, and a gas range, perfect for everyday meals or entertaining. The open concept living space is filled with natural light and anchored by a cozy brick fireplace that gives the room a lot of character. And when you step outside, you'll love the spacious backyard with room to play, garden, or relax. And yes, that cherry tree really does produce delicious cherries every season. Upstairs, the bedrooms feel bright and airy with thoughtful finishes and plenty of storage. The home also has modern conveniences like a tankless water heater, a whole house fan, front landscaping maintained by the HOA, and access to a refreshing community pool. And let's talk location. Folsom is known for its highly rated schools, beautiful trails, and easy access to shopping, dining, and all sorts of recreation. Living here means being close to everything you need while still enjoying that quiet neighborhood feel. Thank you for stopping by. If you have any questions or would like a private showing, contact me, LuAnn, today. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be the first to see my upcoming listings and buyer and seller real estate tips. And I'll see you on the next one.